FITC Toronto to me is family. I don't look at it as a design conference that you show up to and punch your time card and do your speech. You know, it's more of a community.
I know it's going to be a good creative situation. It's going to be good vibes, good inspiration, a good kind of energizer.
That energy begins to resonate, it begins to build into a feedback loop, and you leave with a lot more energy than you came with.
I meet all my friends, I make new friends, and I get inspired.
Yeah, just let loose and let the spirits of tech inhabit you.
So pure imagination to me is sort of like this rush and like just flow of ideas, and it's just this sort of like explosion of, you know, a world being born.
Pure imagination for me is dreaming up whatever you can and making it, creating it, building it.
Never in my life did I imagine